Hello, and welcome to another update on ADA. The ADA chart continues to move, above key support here, and the correction might still be unfolding. So we're still printing lower lows and lower highs from the 12th of May high. That does support, however, the overall thesis that we are indeed in a correction, like the B wave we've been watching for. And it also supports the idea that we could still watch for higher prices, given that this here is only seen as a corrective pullback, which again is confirmed by this overlapping and messy price action that we see. Now, in the last update, in the comments, someone commented that I'm clearly bearish. I just need to make sure that everybody understands that I'm not, okay? Certainly worth being cautious as long as we are in a correction, but I mean, the wave count itself clearly shows the bullish thesis, which is a wave 4 triangle, okay? It's always a matter of time frame. Here, since like early last week, we've been watching, I mean, yeah, it's now the new week, nearly. Since early Monday or Monday, Tuesday, we've been watching for this correction to unfold, right? The price has now reached the support region. And you might remember this trend channel we talked about. The price has simply moved here from the upper boundary line to the lower boundary line. It's just very choppy, lots of up and down, chaos. People ask what's going on, manipulation, but that is normal in a correction. So you often get this overlapping, seemingly chaotic price action, where the price comes down, then goes up again, goes down again, goes up again, and here, what's going on here? Lots of volatility, but yeah, we're still printing lower lows and lower highs, and this seems like a corrective pullback. I mean, what is good is the move up looked impulsive, so potential 5-wave move up here from the 6th of May low, 5 waves up, what I've labeled the A wave, the A wave off, a larger Y wave. So a Y wave is an ABC structure, and from this wave count, we could determine, or because of this wave count, we could determine the support area, which is defined between 68.6 cents and 74.6 cents. The price has dipped into this support region and has already shown a reaction to the 61.8 retracement at 72 cents. So from here now, from this area, I'm watching for reaction to the upside and potentially the start of the next move up. Looking at the micro structure, the market might move down a little lower. Certainly no sign of a upside reversal yet. But obviously we're now in a support area and the market has hit the lower boundary line of this trend channel. But the Fibonacci levels are more important. So even if we break below this lower boundary line, as long as we're holding the 68.6 cent level, this overall thesis of an A-B setup remains valid. Now, even below 68.6 cents, below the 78.6 retracement, that idea is still valid technically, but will become less likely. Yeah, but then below 64.3 cents, and that's the swing low from the 6th of May, the AB setup will be formally invalidated. Now, what I need to see as an early indication a low of sorts is in place, is a break above the Sunday high, which formed around 77.6 cents. So while I'm still watching for lower prices, this is the area where ideally the bulls should turn up. But I can also tell you that the decline doesn't really look complete. And because of the overall structure we are moving within, which is a triangle, and which is just made up of overall corrective patterns, we need to be ready that the wave count could easily shift, at least here on the micro level, within the boundaries of a triangle. Yeah, remember this triangle we talked about? Wave C finished on the 6th of April. The D wave is now unfolding as a WXY structure potentially, and so on. Overall, this triangle remains valid as long as we're holding that 51 cent level. And the problem with this overall wave pattern is that we're dealing with back-to-back corrective price action in a sideways triangle. That's the big problem, because these structures often change. A triangle and then a WXY correction is already a very complex correction. So yeah, there's just a lot of the chart is just prepared to change, you know, that's what it tells us. But yeah, for now, when we zoom out, we're still in this uptrend here, especially in this price channel, but within the channel in a local downtrend, but support levels are clearly defined, so you have all the levels you need for the new week. Hope you liked the update about ADA. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.